You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Honda Passport. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Honda Passport, the midsize crossover with all the features you need to make your outdoor adventures fun and comfortable. With seating for 5, plenty of cargo space, flexible cabin configurations, smart tech, towing ability, and optional all-wheel drive, this innovative vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, lane keeping assist. Feel confident and comfortable on every excursion in the clever and versatile Passport. We can put you in the driver's seat today.